Seatbelt on, please.
It's on! Dad, the plane is moving!
Yes. We are taxiing to the runway.
Taxiing? Like a taxi car?
Almost. The plane drives on the ground first, then it flies.
I feel excited, but also nervous.
That's normal. Look at me. Slow breath in and out.
In and out.
Good. Now sit back. Takeoff will be loud, but it's safe.
Wow, it's fast!
Yes.
Fast, then up! We're going up. I can see the wing.
Great view. You're doing well.
The cars are so small.
Yes, sweetie. We're high in the sky now.
My tummy feels funny.
That happens. Sip water slowly.
Superhero water?
Superhero water.
I'm brave! I'm flying!
You are brave. Just keep your seatbelt on.
Can I look out more?
You can look, but stay still. No jumping.
Deal! Mom, I feel better now. Takeoff was scary for a moment.
I understand. But you did great.
What will we do first in Istanbul?
First, hotel. We rest a little.
And after that?
A walk. Maybe dinner near the water.
I want to take photos of the city.
You can. Just keep your phone safe and keep your bag close.
Okay, Mom, I will.
And remember, new city, many people. Stay with us.
I will stay close.
Hey, son. Want to play I Spy?
Yes! I love that game.
I spy something white.
The clouds.
Correct. Your turn.
I spy something round. Round.
The window? No.
The juice cup. Nice.
Okay, I spy something shiny. Shiny.
Mom's watch?
Good guess, but no. Look again.
Oh, the seatbelt buckle.
Yes. You're smart.
You're smart. I have superhero eyes.
Superhero eyes still need water.
Yes, Captain.
The cart is coming. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Flying makes me hungry.
Same. I'll get water and something small.
Good.
And maybe tea, if they have it.
Small snacks. Thank you. Okay, we eat slowly. No mess.
Our kids will try their best.
Dad, can I have something sweet?
You can have one sweet thing.
Only one?
One now, more later, after dinner in Istanbul.
Okay. I choose the sweet one now. Sweet one now.
Good choice. And drink water too.
Superhero water again.
Exactly.
Mom, the plane is moving.
Yes, a little turbulence. It's normal.
I don't like it.
Look at me. Let's breathe. In and out, out, and in and out. Good. Good. Bumps on a road. Bumps on a road, okay.
Keep your seatbelt on and stay calm. It will pass. It's getting better.
Yes, you are doing great.
Dad, are we safe?
Yes, we are safe. This is normal.
My tummy again.
Hold the armrest, breathe slowly, and look at me.
Okay, I'm brave.
You are brave. And it will stop soon.
It stopped.
See? Easy.